What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. For those of you who might be new out there and this is your first time stumbling upon one of my videos, I want to give you a special welcome to this channel. Hopefully after seeing today's video, you will like the content that you see and be motivated not only to watch more of my videos, but also to make that commitment and go ahead and click that little red subscribe button and join the family. There's tons of beauty videos on this channel, also some lifestyle sprinkled in here and there, and I just want you to become a member of the squad here. I don't have like an actual name for our squad just yet. If somebody wants to tell me or come up with one, that would be great, but just join this family because I always like to hear feedback from my subscribers and things like that of ways that I can like improve the channel and things that you want to see on the channel, so you're not bored and I'm not bored and I can switch it up a little bit here and there. Now for my oldies but goodies out there, I just want to say welcome back. We got another video coming to you, and today's video is going to be very, very exciting. So if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so today's video is one that's very, very exciting. I'm so happy to be bringing it to you guys. It's going to be a first impression video doing a full face using Covergirl products. Well, actually, let me retract that statement because somebody's always going to come for me in the comment section and correct me and things like that. Now, I'm going to attempt to do a full face using Covergirl products, or at least affordable products. I got this super stupid huge package from Covergirl probably like a month ago with all of like their new products for, I guess, the spring collection. And not to mention today I just got a huge box for a new foundation that they just came out with. Stay tuned for that review video because y'all know I love me some foundations. But anyway, today's video, let me show you how big this package really is. So this is the huge package that they sent me, you guys. I can't even fit it in the full frame. And not to mention, I went crazy on Instagram. If you don't follow me there, you should.
What does my face tell you?
There we go. It has a freaking TV in it, you guys. Look at this.
Then I'll run this company someday. Sensual. As comforting as your best friend's laugh. With highlighter, lipstick, and mascara. I express who I am right now.
Okay, y'all saw how big that package was. I went crazy when I opened it up and it started talking. I'm like, where's the sound coming from? What's going on? I'm just excited. I'm never gonna throw this away because I'm like, oh my gosh. This is my first really, really huge PR package anyway, so I went a little crazy. I will admit that. This package has lip products, it has eye products, and it also has face products as well. So pretty much all that you need to do a look that includes their new line. I don't think there's foundation in here at all, but I already had one anyway along the lines of like what these what line these products are geared toward, I guess you would say. But anyway, I'm gonna bring this package up a little bit so we can go ahead and start this makeup tutorial video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is my face base. Now, I've already moisturized my skin with what I normally use, and what they have in here are 2 shades of their Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. So I'm going to use this in place of my MAC Strobe Cream that I normally use in any other type of shimmering or illuminating products that I use as a base for my skin. Now they don't have a primer in here, but I don't normally use a primer, so this would be considered my primer. This feels really, really nice going on. It kind of feels like a lotion in a way. It's very creamy. I don't know how this would be for someone who has oily skin unless you're going to put like a matte foundation on top of it. You might not really like this, but I really like it because I love the way it feels. Now it's not that luminous to me. I'm not sure, maybe you guys can see some luminosity, but it's not that luminous to me, but I do like the consistency of it, how it feels for sure. Okay, normally when I put on base products like this, I like them to sit a little bit before I go in with foundation because I just want it to melt into my skin and not really mix that much with the foundation or break it down or anything like that. So I'm going to go on to my brows. This one is their Ultra Fine Brow Pencil, and it comes in 4 different shades. I took out the shade Soft Brown. The tip of this is really, really fine. Kind of reminds me of the ABH, their pencils that they have. And they also have a dip pomade. It has the brush on the top, kind of like the Benefit products that they have for Covergirl and all of that. Okay, this is weird. This is weird. Going on top of the pencil that I use, the pomade is kind of like wiping away the pencil. I don't know if I love the pomade. I actually preferred the pencil a lot more because it looked a little bit more natural to me. So I'm going to use the pencil. Let's just do the pencil. Okay, so they don't look so bad. I actually prefer powder a lot more, especially in the summertime, because I feel like sweating, this and the pomade will just glide right off your face, right off your brows, and you'll be looking crazy because both of the products are super creamy, which is good because they glide right on, but I feel like that's just not going to be good for hot weather at all. So now I'm going to go in with a foundation from Covergirl. This didn't actually come with the collection. I was supposed to do a review video on this foundation a long time ago. I actually filmed the video, but I was lazy and I never got around to editing it. So today I'm going to kind of like do a mini review of this. It's supposed to be lightweight, full coverage makeup. Formula is supposed to hydrate and include a complex of SPF 20. And it's also supposed to be oil-free. So I picked this up in the winter time thinking that this would be really good because it's hydrating and my skin is normally dry then. So I don't know how it's going to work with the warmer weather. This looks really good, you guys. I didn't remember it looking this good. It's very nice and glowy, but it's not too glowy at all. I'm happy about this shade match. This is like spot on perfect. So they did include 3 eyeshadow palettes. It's a smoky one in here that's from their Covergirl True Naked collection. And then we also have 2 Katy Cat palettes. We have one over here that's kind of like more springtime colors. And then over here we have the more subtle, you know, neutral kind of palette here. So of course I'm going to go with the neutral type of palette. And there is an eyeshadow base in the package. I'm going to use it. It's called the Lid Lock Up. I'm just going to take this color. Ooh, there's a lot of fallout and kickback off of this color right here. Okay, I'm not liking that. And I'm just going to put that into my crease. It's very pigmented, as you guys can see. Like, look at that pigmentation. I feel like with this, putting on that primer, it made it darker right here. Like it's not an even color. Let me see if it does that on the other side. Or maybe it's this brush. It's actually not a clean brush. Okay, yeah. It's my brush, you guys. It wasn't clean when I used it because it's not doing that on this side. You know what I really want to do is a cut crease. But my hooded eyelids, I'm telling you, it's the hardest thing. I'm trying to learn how to do a cut crease because I actually need to do one for my cousin for her prom that's this weekend. So I'm going to be practicing that. No, it's next weekend. My bad. I'm going to be practicing doing a nice cut crease so we can fix her and put her together. Now I messed this all the way up. See, this is what happens when you don't use a clean eyeshadow brush from the last time. But I'm not about to wipe this off, so we're just going to have to make this work, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to take like a more firmer brush. The bristles are a little bit firmer and go into this darker color. I'm just going to add this to the corners, give some more definition to my eyes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Now I have to decide which one of these I want to put all over the lid. I'm feeling this gold a lot. Like I low-key want to go full on gold. I think I'm going to try a cut crease with this eyeshadow look and see what happens. Now I'm going to use this concealer. This is by Covergirl. This is something that I picked up on my own. This is from their Outlast collection and it's in the shade Medium Deep 850. Now the reason I picked this up was because every single one of these concealers that are in this container are way too light, and there's only 6 shades, which we already know that's not going to be enough, but this is the darkest of those shades. This is deep. It's no warm undertones in any of these, so for that I would not recommend that you purchase it at all, not those concealers. Okay, so I think the objective is to get a really nice small brush so you can cut that crease with it. Now this actually looks a little bit too light for me too, the concealer, and it's super creamy. I need something like a little less creamy, but we're gonna try this. We're gonna try it. Okay, you guys, It's not looking too bad. It's just trying to match them up so they actually look similar to each other. Okay, now I need a really, really small brush to clean this up just a little bit. Okay, yes, we're getting somewhere. My channel is all about me and you learning together, us learning this makeup thing together. I do not profess to be a professional. I'm just a girl who loves makeup and loves learning new things and sharing them in that process, whether I fail at those things or not. I'm coming on to let you guys know, like, it's okay to practice. And if you don't get it right the first time, then guess what? There's gonna be a next time and a next time and a next time. I don't know why I always do my makeup. My mouth is always like wide open. So pretty. So gorgeous. I'm going to take this really, really dark shade, which is probably more of a bluish tone, but I'm going to use just a tad bit of it and see if it darkens it. I'm not mad at it. What you guys think? Far away. How does it look? I'm not going to zoom y'all in. Like, that's what we not going to do here for the first time of me ever doing a cut crease. But I like the shadows a lot. This gold is just, oh, it is giving me all types of feelings right now. I really like the gold. I really like this palette. Let's move on to concealer. I don't think the shade is too bad. It's a little bit lighter than I probably would like, but I think I purchased this to use as a contour. It's a pressed powder that they have, and this is from the Covergirl True Blend line, and I picked this one up in the shade Translucent Sable. Okay, so of course this is not a drugstore product. I have to go and cheat a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of this Sacha Buttercup because it has those right undertones for me. I got to get this under eye together. I have to. But another alternative, if you just want a translucent powder, would be the Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Powder. Okay, you guys, so is there a mascara in here? I feel like there should be. Yes. There are two different mascaras in here. These are the Peacock Flare. I really like the color of them. They're really pretty. One is waterproof, and of course the other one is not waterproof. Now, let's get to my favorite part, the glow. Now we do have some, what are these called? These are the highlighters. There are 6 of them, and I'm just going to show you guys like 3 of the colors that I personally like. So you have these 3, a nice little pinkish type of color here. Then you have more of like a bronzy color. This is the more pink toned, and then you have just like a straight up gold. I just realized I did not contour at all. So I am going to use this, what I showed y'all before. That's like a pressed powder. Now I'm going to spray the setting spray all over. I'm trying to spray everything but my eyes. Okay, now let's go in with these highlighters. Very, very pretty. Let me just swatch a little bit of this one. This is the more pinkish color. This one is number 4. This is more of a peachy shade, like peachy gold. So I'm going to use a combination of both of them. So going in with the peachy shade first. Let's just apply it. Okay, and I'm going to put a little bit of this on my brow bone. And I'm also going to use this in my inner corner as well. There are actually 2 trays of lipsticks. We have some of the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte Lipsticks, and it's in so many different shades. It's 3, 6, 9, 12 of these. We also have some Queen Major Shade lipsticks in here. These are matte as well, and it's a variety. It's 3, 6, 9, 12 of these as well. And then lastly in here we have lip glosses, which are from the Katy Cat collection. And this is what they look like. They're really cute. They have a little kitten or cat on the top of them. It looks a little bit like reddish burgundy pink mixed together. I was thinking it was going to be a true red, but I like this. It's pretty. This is a look. This is a look. What y'all think? I'm liking this whole look. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I've taken my hair down and I'm getting ready to go out somewhere because I'm feeling myself right now. Now, this is such a fall winter type of look, especially with this lipstick on, but I don't even care on this nice bright sunny spring day. What do you guys think about this whole look? I just absolutely love pretty much all of the products that I used on my face. What do you feel Covergirl did? Did they hit it on spot or did they miss the mark? Personally, I feel like they definitely need to broaden the shades for some of these products in here, the concealers that they put in here, as well as like the setting powders. They're just not spot on at all. I really, really love the eyeshadow palette and all of the lipsticks. I feel like those are the two major components in this whole PR set that I will definitely be continuously using. The colors for the eyeshadows is just so pigmented. They were very easy to use. Aside from that one that had a lot of kickback and fallout, I love them all. I feel like this has been a super long video. If you stayed to the end, you are a real one. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and show you all some love. If you are not a subscriber and you're one of those newbies that I was talking to at the beginning of this video, hopefully you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of me and you want to subscribe. So go ahead and click that red subscribe button and join the family as always. And until next time, I will see all of you beauties later. Bye.